Scooty Eco Folding Scooter, a revolutionary lightweight scooter designed to help give back the freedom of gliding effortlessly through your day with this remarkable folding scooter. Weighing only 11.5 kilograms, the Scooty Eco is one of the lightest folding scooters in the world, yet it can support a maximum weight of 19.5 stones. Its three-wheel design ensures exceptional manoeuvrability, allowing you to navigate through tight spaces with ease, unlike traditional four-wheel scooters. And safety is of utmost importance, and that's why the Scooty Eco is built with aircraft-grade aluminium, ensuring both sturdiness and security. With a 13-mile range on a single charge, you can confidently run errands, visit friends, or explore your surroundings without worrying about battery life. The Scooty Eco boasts a quick folding mechanism, allowing you to collapse it within seconds for easy storage or transportation. As a bonus, we offer free next-day nationwide delivery, and each purchase includes a free bag and a spare battery. For your comfort, we've equipped the Scooty Eco with a wide, fully padded faux leather seat and backrest. The seat is adjustable in height, ensuring a perfect fit for users of all heights. Additionally, the manual fast-acting drum brake system provides reliable braking in any situation. And no need to worry about running out of power. The Scooty Eco comes with two super handy 48-volt lithium-ion batteries, providing over 12 miles of range. And if you desire even more mileage, you can purchase additional batteries. With the Scooty Eco folding scooter, you can regain your independence, enjoy the freedom of movement, and embrace a more active lifestyle. Take advantage of this incredible opportunity and experience the joy of effortless mobility. Don't miss out on the chance to own a scooter that combines style, comfort, and reliability. Join the Scooty Eco revolution today.